So, before I do my first unboxing, I would like to get two things out of the door. Number one, I've never done this before. I mean, I've never recorded a video of myself. Number two, I have 12 fingers, so don't freak out. In this episode, I'm going to be unboxing and putting together a 2017 Samsung 4K Ultra High Definition Smart TV model MU6070. My wife and I have finally decided to put a TV in our bedroom. So as far as requirements, we wanted a 4K TV since we'll be hooking this up to an Apple TV 4K. Let's see how that goes. I'll probably post another video about that. Now, sound, I'm not even going to go there since I'm sure virtually all slim TVs like this will pretty much have a flat audio as well, but we have a solution for that. We got this TV for around $450 including tax. If you think we should have gone for a different TV, let us know in the comment section. Alright, so let's see what we have here. So, we have a quick setup guide, we have the manual, we have a remote control, we have a power cable, we have a pair of batteries, we have that thing that screws on the back of the TV that connects to the stand right here. So, and as far as accessories, that's all we got out of the box. So let's get the TV out. Alright, so now that we have the TV out, let's put in the stands. Regarding I/O connections, to name a few, you have HDMI, USB. We'll probably use this USB just to power the LED backlights. You also have an Ethernet port, although we'll not be able to use this since we only have one wired Ethernet connection in our room. It's definitely going to go to the Apple TV. But the good thing is this TV still has wireless connectivity, so we can still connect this wirelessly to our router. I'm not going to go through all the features and specifications of this TV, but I'll include a link in the description where you can find this information. I'll also include links to popular stores where you can buy this TV. So there you have it. If you have suggestions that will help me make better videos in the future, please leave that in the comment section. And if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to 12 Finger God.